I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I don't think I've ever seen anything this pretty.
No.
Spectacularly, mesmerisingly out of this world. Wow.
This isn't Germany. Someone's plonked us in the Dolomites by accident. Jamaica, we have a bobsleigh team. Sanka, what you smoking? A nut, a breeding.
Pretty close.
Why Lions Group?
If you don't know, that was off Cool Runnings. Iconic Konigssee sliding track wrecked in deadly German floods.
Who? When?
2021. Well, that's when the article was, July 2021. The Konigssee bobsleigh, luge and skeleton track is a venue in Germany for bobsleigh, luge and skeleton. No shit. Located in Konigssee and the border with Austria, completed 54 years ago in 1968. It is the first permanent, artificially refrigerated bobsleigh, luge and skeleton track in the world. In July 2021, the track was severely damaged by the floods that affected the European continent.
I remember those floods.
You should do, it was only last year. Well done, you. Pleb.
das war's.
So where are we?
The end of Lake Konigssee, and we're walking to Obersee. It's a 20-minute walk from when you get off the boat. It's just stunning. You can hear the cows jingle jangling of the bells, and don't you worry, if you get hungry, there's I think it's a hotel or a bar and a souvenir shop, so you know, you might feel like you're remote. You're not that remote. Oh, and there's toilets.
I'm hoping to God that this footage picks up the colour of this water because it's ridiculous. As part of this route, from the beginning of Obersee to the back, we start the trek to the waterfall. It's not very smooth underfoot, so I suggest you bring poles if you're a little bit light on your feet, and definitely bring some proper shoes. Don't come in your Reebok Classics. You know, you won't be finding it too easy, but it's absolutely worth every single step. We haven't even reached the end yet. This is very Lauterbrunnen, isn't it?
It is, but it's nicer, I think. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I don't think I've ever seen anything this pretty.
No.
This is like something else. I don't know whether it's the clouds that are making it something else, but it's just wow. I don't think hiking in the UK will ever be the same again.
Why not?
Because we're spoilt for choice. You get like an hour and a half in the middle of nowhere. You've got a hut that sells beer and sandwiches. Besides Snowdon, that has a cafe halfway up, and at the top, I don't think there's anywhere else like that in the UK. Get snacks and beer on the way around.
Obviously the views.
Well, yeah, the views as well, but the huts and break spots are just an added extra.
This isn't Germany. Someone's plonked us in the Dolomites by accident. Germany is just full of beer, sausage, architecture. You don't get beauty like this, do you?
I mean, we've even got blue skies and it said it was going to rain, so...
The views here are outrageous. It's better than the Google images we've seen. It's better than I ever imagined. I just expected it to be a nice lake with some mountain views. That's about it. I mean, alright, let's be truthful here. You won't be the only one here.
No.
There's a lot of people, hundreds. There's an ant trail. It's not quite Snowdon, but it's busy. And but it's worth it. It's worth putting up with the crowd. It's one of the best places I think we've ever been to.
Yeah, it's blown our socks off, man.
It has. I even contemplated in saying, is this my favourite place over Switzerland and Dolomites?
Could be mine.
I think it's just joint first with the other two. There's three of my favourite places. Switzerland as a whole, Dolomites as a whole national park, and Konigssee. This is just phenomenal.
There's an accident, Eb.
Someone has.
You have. It's all down your leg. See?
Sniff it.
Smells delicious. No, then I won't coming up.
Right, girls. Just going for a coffee. Don't want no trouble. Vlogging to a big camping in public. If you like waterfalls, don't watch our channel, because this is probably one of the very, very few we've done. And Lou and Silver are always on them, aren't they? Biggest here, widest there. Especially the newbies used to be really big on the waterfalls as well.
John used to make Tara walk to the top while she was probably pretty.
But I don't think either of them have been to this one. So we're doing our bit to show you this waterfall.
Wet rocks scare me.
This is worth it though.
Oh yeah, it's worth every second. I'm just a bit like Bambi on ice when it comes to wet rocks, so.
It looks like the ideal platform. What the hell? How the fuck am I? Fat lads are meant to get under this. Whew. It looks like the ideal platform to see this waterfall is from further back, but there's actually a trail up the side of the waterfall where you don't get a view of the whole thing. You just get up close and personal to it instead. And it's not like one of these big massive African things that John and Tara from the newbies are doing. Hundreds of meters away you get sprayed with water. It's a trickle compared to theirs.
Beautiful though.
But the setting is absolutely stunning. You have to work hard to get to it, like through all the trees and what have you. It's getting noisy now, I'll show you instead. Meant to be eagles around here as well. I don't know what type, but I'm obsessed with birds of prey. Don't know anything about them. All I know is I like them, but we haven't seen any. This is a shame. Come on, Bobby. Can we go back to the boat now and border this view? I need to get back to taking pictures of a pint on a table in a beer garden with a marginally nice backdrop, because this mirror image of this turquoise water. Bored. Michelle and Andy, if you're watching this, oh shit. Sarah said, is this just like doing a via ferrata? We've never done one before, but we think we're doing one now, because look, we're holding on to steel rope.
We've had glorious sunshine. Oh no, that's a lie. We've had glorious weather already. Not too cold, not too hot. Blue skies and sunshine at points, haven't we? Got on the boat to leave and it started to rain. How lucky. And Alan's got a sausage, so Alan's happy.